to be recalling our 5 times table today, and we've got 2 starters to kick off the lesson. So we're going to count up in 5s from 5 to 35. Should we do that after 3? You ready? I know you're really good at counting up in 5s. 3, 2, 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, this time we're going to count back in 5s from 55 to 20. Are you ready? After 3, 3, 2, 1. 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. Okay, brilliant, well done. Should we move on to what we're doing today? Okay, so this is going to be like the 2 times table lesson. We've got our 5 times table all the way down the side here. Now, what do you notice about the answers? I noticed 2 things again about the answers in the 5 times table. You can pause the video there and tell your adult or write your answers down and see if you get the same as me. Okay. So, the things I notice in the 5 times table is that they always end in a 0 or a 5. We've got a 5 here, haven't we? We've got a 0, then we've got a 5, then we've got a 0, then we've got a 5, and so on. So you might see a little pattern starting. One number will end in a 5, and the next one will end in a 0. Okay, shall we move on? Right, we're used to seeing this from Monday. We're going to do this together, so I'm not going to do it on my own this time. You can do this with me, so you can grab a piece of pen and paper, or however you want to record it, it's up to you. So we have got some dots. We've got groups of dots on this side. So we need to know how many dots, first of all, we've got all together. Now, we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. So do we need to count them individually? I don't think so, because we can count up in 5. So should we count them up? Are you ready? Together, 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's write the number 20 down. Okay, now we need to write the calculation. Now, writing the calculation, the word calculation means we need to write the sum down. So, let's see how many groups of 5 we've got first of all. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5. So you can write that down on a piece of paper. And how many are in each group? Well, we know there are 5 in each group. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, we've got another one for you to do. Well, this is a we do this time, so we're going to do it together, a bit like the 2 times table. How many lots of 5 are in 25? Now, we're going to use our fingers for this one. So, should we do it together? We're going to count up in 5s until we get to 25, and that will tell us how many 5s are in 25. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that means there are 5 5s in, oh, that's not my pen, is it? 5 5s in 25. Okay, now we're going to go back to our money. How many 5p coins in 40p? So again, we could use our fingers to help us, or we could use some 5p's. So if you've got some 5p's at home lying around, then you might be able to use those to help you. Okay, so we do it on our fingers first together. Let's see how many 5s are in 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. There are 8 5s in the number 40. And should we just double check that with our 5s? We're going to count up in 5s using our money. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Should we count up the 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 5s in 40p. There are 8 5p coins. 8. Let's go back. There we go. 8 5p coins. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, now there might be one to do on your own. Yep, you do. Okay, are you ready? You're going to do this one on your own. So pause the video there and you can have a go at this question. And I'm going to go through it now with you. So, what have we got in our picture? We've got pairs of feet and we've got some toes, haven't we, on our feet. So we need to find out how many toes there are altogether first of all. Should we count those up? Now, how many toes have we got on our feet? You're right, we've got 5, haven't we? So we don't need to count them individually. We know there are 5 on each foot. So we could, if we find it easier, write the number of toes underneath each one. I'm going to count up in 5s. You ready? Can you do it with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So there are 30 toes altogether. Now we're going to write the calculation. What calculation did you put down? I wonder if you're going to put the same one down as I am. Let's see. So we need to count up how many groups of 5 we've got first of all. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 5. Oh, brilliant if you've written 6 groups down. Now we need to know our second number, and our second number is how many are in each group. Now we know there are 5 toes on each foot. So 6 times 5, we already know will make 30 because we've already counted up the toes. Now, I'm pretty sure you're going to have a go at how many 5s are in 55, and then how many 5p coins are in 30. So pause the video there, work it out with your grown-ups, and we're going to go through it now. How many 5s in 55? Okay, so I think I might use my fingers to help me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now I counted that 11 times. So 11 5s in 55. How many 5p coins in 30? Now we can either use our fingers, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use the 5p coins for this one. So let's see. I've got 1 5p, 2 5p's, which is 10, 3 5p's are 15, 4 5p's are 20, 5 5p's are 25, 6 5p's are 30. So I need 6 5p coins. Now you're going to stop the video there and you're going to have a go at some questions in your books, on a piece of paper, however you choose to record. The questions are on the slide and we will have a look at your uploads on Seesaw. See you later.